And this right here will be the only cable that we get inside the box. That's it. This is how we charge our phone. So this end would be hooked up to your phone, and this end you can hook it up to your computer, or if you got a brick. Now bricks don't come, so charging bricks, they don't include those anymore with iPhones. They've been doing that for a while now. Same goes with headphones. Way back in the day, they used to put headphones in here. Anyways, inside here we just have some manuals, plus this guy right here, which you need in order to put in a SIM card inside your iPhone. A SIM card is not the exact same thing as an SD card or a micro SD card. SIM card is just something that you put inside, so it works as a phone. It is not to expand the storage of the actual phone. And if you do lose this, don't worry, you can actually use an earring to get the SIM card out. So actually at this point in time, you're looking at everything that comes inside the box. That's it, there's nothing more to this. So now that you know what you get inside the box, let me just show you around the phone itself. On the back, you're gonna notice 3 lenses. It's the same thing as an iPhone Pro. And actually all the buttons, everything will be the exact same thing as an iPhone 13 Pro. The only difference is the screen size. On the top, you're gonna notice everything's flush. There's nothing up there. And on this side, we're gonna see the volume keys. Plus right here, we can put this on to vibrate, like so. Or we can just put it to sound. Right here's where we insert the SIM card. So that's where we put it in. And down here below, that's where we charge it up. So that's where you plug it in to charge up your phone. And that goes with any phone out there actually. Other than that, there's not much more to show you about the iPhone 13 Pro Max. It's a really simple design. Now, of course, the finish itself will look a little bit different depending what color you've got. What you may notice is that getting fingerprints on the sides is very easy. It's already got fingerprints all over. However, this is more like a matte finish, so you can't really leave fingerprints there that easy. So that's a good thing when it comes down to this type of finish. Now let me just show you the screen. We do have the screen protector on it. And the screen is your basics. So actually, I'm just gonna take this whole thing off. Up here, you're gonna notice there's a camera. So this iPhone does have a camera in the front, so do all other iPhones. You can barely see it right here, but you do have a front one. Now remember, if you would like to see this phone in action, I do have a review, I do have a setup video, and I do also have a manual. So that's where you guys get to see how this guy right here performs. However, this right here is just an unboxing video, so that's exactly what I showed you, what you get inside the box. But anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.